Hello everyone, my name is Stuart Clarke and I am the Chief Technology Officer of the Security and Intelligence Solution at Nuix. Just a quick update to share with you some progress on the Analytics and Intelligence solution. Our development teams have, as always, been very busy adding new capabilities to the platform. A couple of nice things you will notice: we have new dashboards. We've put a bit more capability into our dashboards, and these will soon become customizable. But you also have some good capabilities here where the donuts now are interactive, so we can dig into document spreadsheets and presentations and get a feel for exactly how many of each we have. So these donuts are now a lot more interactive to give us a more granular view of what's going on inside of our project and what data we're actually dealing with. So that's a real good step forward. If we take a look at some GPS data, we've done a lot of work on our map capability. Really what we've tried to do is improve the performance and the user experience in particular of our map. So we put a lot of effort into the map, and you will see what we have now when we zoom in. We have a lot more capability around pinpointing specific locations. So if we just move across to these couple of locations here, as you can see, when we hover over them and if we drill right down, the icons now pinpoint exactly to the given location, and we can actually turn on labels so we can see exactly the name of the item. We can actually replace the pin with actually the entity, so the actual file type that it is, or we can just go back to a simple pin. But the great thing is, as you hover over those pins, they show you specifically the location on the map. Another really cool feature, if we just pop over to our bubble timeline, we now have the ability, so this is set for a predefined period, as you can see. If we want to change that period and maybe focus on activity around this area here, we can do a right click and we can pivot around this particular time period and say, show me everything within a defined number of months, weeks, days or hours at this point here, so around about the 29th of May 2015. So we can very much focus our bubble timeline and the results of our solutions packs on a predefined area and time period. The other key thing that you'll note is our new light theme. So we now have our light theme, and this is fully customizable. I can toggle between light and dark theme. It's a user preference, so if I just go to my profile, I can toggle between light and dark theme, and that will be my preference as a user. So we'll stick with the light theme for now. I'm sure you'll agree it's a very attractive theme to have on the platform. So that's been a real good step forward for us as well. The final thing that I just want to show is we've put a lot of effort into our intelligence repository and our intelligence database. So what we have the ability to do now is very quickly triage all the data that's in our intelligence repository. So we do a quick wildcard search, and then we're going to specifically filter on our intelligence repository. So this is our central intelligence store that's specific to us as a user. So these are facts that I've found across many cases over the past number of months and even years that I've stored in my intelligence repository. So I can do a quick search across my intelligence repository and return those items into my search results, and subsequently send those to the canvas as well if I want. Just very quickly wrapping up, just a few of the things that have been big requests of ours. Let me just turn that filter off. Is to make the canvas a little bit more interactive. So if we just put these two items on the canvas, traditionally you would move the canvas around with these arrows, but now if we click that button, we have the ability to move the canvas around just by clicking on it, which has been a real nice feature which people have been asking for a while. So as you can see, we've been very busy. Keep an eye out for our next video where we'll share the latest and greatest updates. As you can tell, we're very excited about some of the feedback we're getting, and we are acting on that feedback and adding more and more capability into the platform to help our customers solve the problems that really matter to them. So thank you for your time, and we'll be in touch soon.